Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie Brito. Today I will be showing you how to do this glittery smoky eye. This is one of my favorite looks and I hope it becomes one of yours. So if you want to know how I got this eye look, keep on watching. We're going to start by priming our eyelids. So lately I've been into using the Maybelline concealer. So we're going to go ahead and prime our eyes. I just put a little, I think this is a little bit, right? And then with my finger, I just like dab it all over my lid, dabbing motions. We are priming the eyes so that the eyeshadow can stay on longer. We're gonna grab this shade right here, Slick Cream, that has been used and abused, to set the concealer that we use to prime our eyes. And we're just gonna put it all over the lid. So I'm only gonna be doing one eye on camera, and I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can really see what I'm doing to the eye, and also to save time. Now that you guys can basically see my sins, we're gonna grab the Jaclyn Palette by Morphe, starting with the color Pukey, and we're going to put that all over our crease with the blending brush using wiper motions. And this palette is the one that we're going to be using for the most part. Next, we're gonna go ahead and use the color Buns, and we are placing that a little bit below the crease, still using wiper motions. And this is where we're going to start building that dark effect to our smoky eye. Going back to the palette, we are going to grab the color Mocha, and we're going to place it exactly where we put Buns, but we're going to start creating that V shape on the outer corner of our eye. Using an eye shading brush by Sigma F55, we're going to grab the color Chip, and we're going to start placing that on our lid, blending it up to our other colors. Using the same brush, we're going to grab the color Central Park, and we are going to put it on our lid as well. This is because we want to start intensifying our smoky look. Making it a little darker, we are going with the color Soda Pop, and we are placing it where we place Central Park and Chip, and we're going to be blending it upwards as well. Going back to the blending brush, we're going to grab a little bit of Pukey, and we are going back to the crease to blend everything we just did with the dark colors. And then I go back to darken it up a little bit more, but that's optional. With my finger, I'm going to grab some of that Turbosan color from Desi&Katy's collaboration with Dust of Colors, and I am going to dab that all over my lid. And I'm going to make it as intense as I want the glitter to be. Since this was a limited edition collaboration with Dose of Color, I will make sure to link down below some of the glittery eyeshadows that will work for this eye look. For the false lashes, I am going to be using the Kiss Wispies that you can find at Walmart or CVS or Walgreens, and these are my favorite because they are not too exaggerated and they help my natural lashes to look natural. Going back to the Jaclyn palette, we're going to grab the color Abyss, and we are going to place it close to our eyelash to make it look like our eyeliner, and it's also going to help me cover my dark glue for the eyelashes. For the lower lash line, we are going to be using Central Park, and with one of BH Cosmetics pencil brushes, number 105, we are going to start placing that color on our lower lash line. For our waterline, we are going to be using the Blackest Black Maybelline Gel Liner. And you can make it as dark as you want it to be. To finish the look, I will be using this Mexican brand mascara. It's called Super Lash by Apple, and this is by far my favorite. I do use Better Than Sex, and you're more than welcome to use whatever you prefer, but like I said, this is my favorite. If you want to get this mascara, please make sure to check out my description box because I will be putting a link for this mascara. So this is it for my final look. Please don't forget to follow me on social media so that you can tag me on your selfies. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so that you can be up to date with my videos. I hope you like my video and thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!